Hello there and welcome to the review and the unboxing video of the Delonghi Magnifica S. So what we're going to do, two videos. First video I'm going to take you through opening the box, which we've got here, having a look what's inside, and then we'll move on in the second video to actually assembling the machine, seeing how we use it and what the results are like. So the first thing you'll see is that the machine comes in a reasonably substantial box, and I can promise you it's heavy. So off we go. Box cutter open. Just being a little bit careful that we don't score anything. We shouldn't go through anything important inside, but better safe than sorry. Okay, first up we've got a manual and a bit of paper. Okay, so I'm just going to take this down off the surface and take the foam packing out, which is holding the machine inside, and then we'll have a look. And here's what was inside the box: polystyrene outer bag and the machine inside. Let's have a look at what we've got then. Put that to one side. I think that might be the filter. We'll take that side off. What have we got here? Decalcifying, that's good. Got a cleaning brush and also the necessary scoop for putting pre-ground coffee in there, which we might need. Mains lead and the machine. The machine's nicely bagged up here. Let's see if we can take it out without causing any damage. Okay, so that's the bag removed. And you can see the machine here is absolutely encased in plastic. That's a nice touch actually, I think. We'll take that off. Let's turn it around so you can see the front. That's for the waste, I think. We've also got more plastic on the top here. Again, waste. It's nice to see it's well wrapped. Got a sticker inside there with the contact details for Delonghi and then instructions for the grinder, so we'll just put those away for the time being. The plate here on the top has got a piece of plastic on. Again, we'll take that off. And then I think we've got the drip tray here. Looks like that probably needs the plastic removing. Let's have a look. Let's turn the machine around. Okay. Oh, okay, it comes out entirely. Another plastic bag. Again, a bit more rubbish. And more blue plastic on the stainless steel drip tray. I'm assuming it is stainless steel, which is taped on nicely there. Let's just take that off. There we go. The first impressions, it's absolutely stunningly beautiful, I think anyway. I realise it's plastic here, we've got the stainless there, and that looks good. Beautiful stainless top, again that looks great. So prior to this I had a Delonghi espresso machine, just a normal one. This is bean to cup, and this morning the normal espresso machine started the leaking, which they're apparently prone to. And so very, very good. Currys took it back immediately, and I was able to upgrade to this machine, which I've got a little bit more confidence in, I think. So we'll see how we go with this. So thanks for watching this unboxing video, and hopefully see you in the next part when we'll look at how we actually operate the machine and have a look at actually getting some coffee out of it.